Maganda to para ma-relate. 7 ways para ituro ang multiplication sa grade 2 at grade 3. Una, repeated addition. Pinaka-basic, paulit-ulit na pag-a-add. 3 times 4, 3 groups of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Next, equal groups or sets. Pinaka-visual, 5 times 2 equals 10. Paano? May 5 groups at ang bawat group ay may dalawa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is array. Maganda rin para sa visual learners. 3 rows, 4 columns. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next is number 9, yung jumps. Maganda ito para sa kinesthetic. Start sa 0, jump 3 steps. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 12, 12, 12. Next, skip counting songs. Ito yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 16, 18, 20, multiples of 2, multiples of 2. Sorry sa tono. Next is real life story. Maganda to para ma-relate. Example, may 6 na bata at ang bawat isa ay may 3 lapis. Ilan lapis lahat? Ganun. Next is manipulatives. Maganda din yung hawak-hawak. Example, 3 times 4. Itali mo yung 3 straws, gawa ka ng 4 na bundles. Yun, pili ka lang. Huwag muna memorization. Concept muna bago tables 1 to 10.